Yeah. My name is Zthegreat Games. You better be watching out because you're watching me play some Hunger Games. I'm dangerous. I'll eat your face alive, get you all dead with my saliva. It's disgusting, right? Yeah, you'll never take me out because I don't have a taunt. I'll never taunt you, so be glad you're not sad. I am sad. I have bad commentary. No, I don't. I'm just kidding. Watch me. Sub me. Subscribe. Yeah, but anyways, let's get into this game. We gotta get a chest or not lagged at least. Heavy Chester. Oh, Chester is Hester and Hager and Edgar. Hey, but then we turn around like a butt. Oh, it's normal. Don't worry. I'm a professional. No! Ah! My palms are sweaty! I'm not going to spawn. I lied to you guys. Yep. We're not really going to spawn. We're going to fall. Oh, where's the nearest player, huh? He's dead. He's dead. He died. I don't even care. You're just like the biggest waste of time. Is that why I had to kill you first? Quite definitely. Hey,